Good morning, my babies. Today is a good day. I slept in, took a shower, now I have my chlorophyll water, and it is now fall, which is my second favorite season other than summer. Because it's my birthday season. Got Gizmo with me, and the trees are finally starting to change color. I love it. So we're just gonna have a cozy fall day today. I don't know if I would call it realistic, semi-realistic, because I do aesthetize. It's a new one. I make my life more aesthetic for the video. Like, usually I would not wake up fully showered outside ready to go. It would look something like this. So it is 12 and I haven't eaten yet, so I'm just having brunch. I made this meal prep the other day. It's like a chickpea salad. I'll put the recipe if you want it because it's buzz. Me trying to be aesthetic. Did it work? I don't know, probably not. I don't think I've done an eye patch in like a whole year. Who am I? I got these off Amazon because, like, what do I not get off Amazon? Let's be real. Why are these burning right now? I'm kind of scared. Wait, I actually have to take them. Are my under eyes that dry or are these just expired? This whole video is gonna be fall vibes, even down to the chapstick. This is the Rhode lip treatment and salted caramel. This is quite literally the epitome of what fall smells like to me. Plus a little like sprinkle of my childhood. Whenever I put it on the whole time, I'm just like, my eyes are still freaking burning from those patches. That one won't be in my Amazon storefront, don't you fear. I wanted to give you guys a little skin update. In the last video, my acne was like low-key raging. She was not happy with me. But I feel like more lately than ever, I've been really comfortable in my own skin. Like with my acne, I really don't see it as a bad thing anymore. It's just my skin doing what she does best, and that's being human, so gotta learn to love it. Okay, now I'm gonna catch up on some work. I say work like I don't love my job. Me filming is me working. Like, no, I'm just on FaceTime with my best friends. But anywho, I'm gonna answer some emails, sign some contracts, just catch up on everything that has to be done.
5 hours later.
Tell me why I just got up from my desk now and it is 11 p.m. My hunchback is hurting so bad. I need the nearest available chiropractor. So today was more of a lazy day if you couldn't tell. I'm literally still in my PJs. I don't even know why I stopped recording. I did so much. I don't know who let me vlog. I cleaned my bird's whole cage. I changed my sheets. I planned out a couple YouTube videos and then I planned out my week. But planning my next couple days took way longer than it should have. The plans changed 10 times and I'm the type that can't handle last minute changes, so I almost had a mental breakdown. I don't know if that's just undiagnosed ADHD or what, but I should get that checked out. As I was saying, I do have a busy next couple days, so this is no longer a day in the life. It is days in my life. Tomorrow the plan is to go shopping for fall decorations so I could spice up my room a bit to get into the fall vibes. Then we're gonna order sushi to celebrate my dad's birthday because that's all of our favorite food. And then when everyone's asleep, I'm gonna Uber to my boyfriend's house to have a sleepover. And the day after tomorrow, we're just gonna vibe out downtown, take some cute Instagram pictures for fall. Okay, no, I'm actually concerned. I hope when I watch this back, I don't look as red as I'm seeing myself right now. Okay, yeah, it's my rosacea that's just coming up to say hi right now. Don't mind her. She's rude. Good morning. I made myself a little shake for breakfast. Today's a very special day because we just hit 900k subscribers. That was the literal best thing to wake up to. I opened YouTube. I saw that 900k of you decided to press subscribe. Are you kidding me? Also, after I woke up, I went downstairs. No one is home, so you know what that means. It means dance party. But I'm not about to get copyrighted just because I want to have a dance party. No, thank you. So don't worry. I will put the appropriate music over. I'll make sure it matches the vibe.
One eternity later.
Okay, I just got ready. I was too lazy to do a full face, so I just did some natural makeup. Quick and easy. It is now time to play dress up because I need an outfit to go shopping in today and then I need an outfit to take Instagram pictures in tomorrow. One thing about me is I'm a play dress up. Ever since I was a kid, I would go crazy with the fits. So while we're here, I have a huge SKIMS haul for you guys. One thing about SKIMS is the color palette has always caught my eye, but for fall, it's actually perfect. So let's get into it. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Another thing about me is matching sets are quite literally my weakness because most of the time I'm just too lazy to put an outfit together, so it's quick and easy. Let's try these ones on first. Guys, I don't usually have hips, but these hips don't lie today. This cream color has to be my favorite out of the whole Skims palette, and look at the little logo, it's so cute. I don't have to steal my boyfriend's boxers anymore. These are the most comfy things I've ever worn. You're actually kidding me right now. Do you see this? Look at her right now. What? Hello. I really like the way it hugs the bod, but like it's not too tight, so I could do a squat or two. I could go to the gym, have a little 1-2 workout, and then quickly put this on. And then I can go get a coffee, run some errands after the gym. I'm kind of giving hot mom that's like about to go on her coffee run. This one also feels as good as it looks. Like it is so buttery and soft. I don't know what they made this out of, but I love it. I really like that it smooths me out, but it still doesn't like cover my figure. Like you can see my abs, you can see the curves. And my sister taught me when you put your shirt like halfway over your butt, it like makes it look bigger. Like it's an illusion. So that is my hack of the day. Kim, if you're watching this, please let me be in the Skims visualizer. I promise I'll slay. People say we look alike, so like me when I'm delusional. No, people actually do say that though. Oh my god, I just realized my whole body's like a woolly mammoth right now. I haven't shaved in so long. I'm like coating up for fall. So don't mind if you see any hairs. All of the pieces are perfect for layering, especially in the fall, because the color palette matches literally everything and they're unrealistically cozy. Who said beauty's pain? This is like a basic fit to run errands, go to Starbucks. This outfit low-key makes me feel like I'm a model off duty. I'm telling you, you can literally pair the pieces with anything. Like this could be a little cutesy day at the mall, or if you're going out for dinner, you could do something like this. I've always wanted to do that. Or you can be frisky and wear it like this. I feel like this is more my style. I did it again. So there is officially your fall outfit inspo. Also, Kimberly, I don't know what you put in these panties, but they're the most comfortable thing that she has ever touched. When you're wearing them, it low-key feels like you're going commando because they're so light, it feels like there's nothing there. Even the granny panties. Yeah, even the grannies. I'm gonna tell you something that's like low-key, high-key embarrassing. I've been rotating the same pairs of panties for like 5 years straight, because I didn't want to buy new ones. Like they be expensive. It's like 20 bucks for a pair of panties. But Skims lets you mix and match 3 panties for only $36. When I saw that, I was like, hey, maybe it's time to get new ones. And I did, and it was a good investment. Okay, I played a bit more dress up and I found my fit for today. That's what we're going for. Okay, so this feels weird, you guys seeing me in a car. So we're driving over to do some shopping for fall decorations. And I need my practice because my test is on Monday and it is Saturday, so. I promise guys, I'm a pro. I can barely put the seatbelt on. I'm too old to just be learning how to drive now. Like my license that I have now, I need my mom in the car with me. You wanna say hi? If you can reach.
Hey, hi guys.
So don't worry, this is perfectly legal. I don't know if I could film while driving though. I can barely drive. I can't talk and drive at the same time, so I might have to be back. Hopefully we get there in one piece. If this video doesn't get uploaded, then this is the evidence, I guess. It's the way that the whole entire store is Christmas themed, except for this section. Wait, but this is cool. Subscribe now. You gave this video a thumbs up.
Isn't elixir like a potion? What just happened?
I just breathed in it and dust went all over my face. This is my aesthetic. I'm getting it. Okay, these are very cute, but they're unscented, so. Okay, we are home. Life is good. Got my pumpkin spice latte. Cheers. And now I have another huge shopping haul for you guys. Okay, so first of all, this is not fall themed, but I needed a new hamper because mine is gross and disgusting. I've had it since I was literally a child, so got a new cute one. Next, this cute orange pillow. I feel like this is just the fall vibes. I'm probably just gonna put it on my bed for decor, not to sleep on. Doesn't feel that comfortable, but it's cute. Next, this pillow, which isn't that fall themed, but I just couldn't resist. I love it. It's so soft. I got this bouquet of flowers. I think it's so cute. They kind of look like dead, which I like. I don't know why, it just kind of spoke to me. Obviously they're fake, they're plastic, so I'm probably gonna exchange it for one of my other fake plants. Yes, I'm a fraud, most of them are fake. Then I got this little wood pumpkin. I think it's the cutest thing to ever drop on this earth. This is so my vibe. I feel like it would go so well with my room. I had to get it. Then I got the smoked honey fig candle. It's just so good. It smells like my childhood mixed with a fig, mixed with like the crisp air of fall. I should be a candle advertiser. I don't know why my adjectives are so good. Just know my descriptive essays in high school kind of went crazy. It also kind of looks like a pumpkin, which is so cute. I love her. And then lastly, this green blanket that I'm gonna use to cover Benji's cage because it's fall and he's gonna get pretty cold at nighttime. Benji's my bird, by the way. I had to get him a cute, soft blanket. He's a king. He deserves the best. And that is my haul. Let's get to decorating, shall we? He got me blue flowers. He's spoiling me.
But in my house, there's no vase.
So it's a bit ghetto, but it'll work.
I finished my midterms today. So in celebration...
Now you're not showing your face. You're like, hey guys.
I have to go all the way back here.
Wait, our height difference kind of crazy. I only noticed it on camera.
I finished my midterms today, so time to celebrate a little bit. With water.
That's some good water.
5 hours later.
We're up now, good morning. We're gonna start our day because the early bird catches the worm. So, you know, we just needed like 5 hours, that's all you need. Our plan for today is great photo shoot time, breakfast in a bit after we work out. We're doing a crazy workout. First we're gonna do a 5K run, 5-kilometer run. Then we hit the gym. She has Pilates and I have to do some homework. And then we shower and then we start our day. So I'll see you guys then.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Our plan did not go as planned. We were supposed to bake last night. We in fact did not. We were supposed to wake up at 7 a.m. We in fact did not. We were supposed to work out, go to Pilates, get a matcha.
Okay.
It's breakfast time. Thank you. The road peptide treatment all over your cheek. Okay, so I got ready and did my makeup all off camera, but like, tell me I didn't eat this up. Don't mind how loud it is on the streets of Toronto right now. I'm not trying to yell, I'm just trying to yell over the sound so you can hear me. See, if road rage wasn't a thing, this would not be happening. Like, why have they been honking for 30 minutes? So it is in fact time to take the Instagram pictures, go out and about in the streets. Here is the first fit, because I have two. We just passed these old people and I was filming, right? And then we just overhear their conversation. They're like, we need to start wearing t-shirts to express ourselves because I'm in a crop top. Lingerie, if you will.
Anyway, we're gonna insert the clip right now.
we gotta start wearing t-shirts to express ourselves.
Okay, I'm currently in the Starbucks bathroom, but people are waiting, so I'm gonna be quick about this. I'm changing into the next fit now, so say goodbye to this one. Okay, so our day in the city is almost to an end. About to get run over by a car.
By a fat car too.
So we took pictures in 2 outfits. He's fully trained. He kind of ate them up.
We had dinner. Mommy took me out for dinner.
Mommy got you.